bringing the beauty of brick and stone to South Florida. Welcome to Larrauris Constructions, a company dedicated to bringing the best of brick, thin brick, and stone veneer from the Dominican Republic to South Florida. Our team of experts specialize in the installation of pavers and tiles that will transform your home or business into a beautiful and unique space. At Larrauris Constructions, we believe in the power of brick and stone to add texture, warmth, and character to any environment. That's why we import the finest quality Chicago bricks and stone veneer from the Dominican Republic, to give our clients access to the latest designs and trends in the industry. Our team of experienced professionals are dedicated to bringing your vision to life. From the initial consultation to the final walkthrough, we work closely with our clients to ensure their complete satisfaction with the finished product. Whether you're looking to install a new driveway, patio, or accent wall, we've got you covered. At Larrauris Constructions, we take pride in our commitment to quality, reliability, and affordability. Our clients consistently praise our attention to detail, professionalism, and quality craftsmanship. We serve the South Florida area, so if you're looking for the best in pavers and tiles installation, look no further than Larrauris Constructions. Thank you for choosing Larrauris Constructions, your trusted source for beautiful and durable pavers and tiles installation in South Florida. Contact us today to schedule your consultation and transform your home or business with the power of brick and stone.